Hello world, it's Sister Screw. Some of y'all know me as Red. Some of y'all know me as Michelle. I am DJ Screw's sister. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one of these drinks that we have. We have the pineapple one, which is called Hella Yellow. You have your next one, which is the Screw Blue Cream, just like your blue cream soda. On the back of this can, you'll see all the natural things about it. Ladies, for us, it only has 100 calories, so we can get in on this too and not have a problem. Then you have Riding Red Cream. Riding Red. Isn't that interesting? On this can here, which is on all of our cans, it talks a little bit about my brother. Most influential DJ in the world. He's all over the world. And last but not least, we have Purple Rain. This is like a lemon lime drink. Don't mistake the can. These drinks you can put behind some screw and it'll put you in a whole nother world. I've tried it. It is very good.
Them hoes wanna say because I'm just black as a tire. And you know I come through and inquire. Hoes wanna lie, never smoke fry. Got to be a G to the day that I die.